Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be reviewing Midas, the Golden Touch EA for MT5. This gold focus system aims to turn trades into gold in quotes with smart logic. So let's see the claims and test results. Before we dive into the EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so as you can see from the MQ5 page, Midas, the Golden Touch EA, is specialized for XAUUSD gold with advanced algorithms designed to capture profitable moves in the gold markets. It uses multiple confirmation layers for high quality entries and adaptive management for runners. It runs two independent breakout engines and protects every order with a native economic calendar, news filter, and a spread guard. The EA emphasizes risk control, dynamic adaptation to gold volatility, and consistent performance. It's built for traders seeking a dedicated gold trading solution. Alright, so that's why it works. Daily breakouts, buy stop at the previous day's high, sell stop at the low. London breakouts builds the 10:00 to 15:00 range and places stop orders both sides. Aggressive trailing stop locks in profits once price moves in your favor. News filter pulls pending orders around USD high impact events. Spread filter blocks new orders when the spread is too wide. On chart dashboard shows ranges, order slash new status, position, profit slash loss, and accounts. All right. So the E emphasizes control, dynamic adaptation to go volatility, like I said, and is built for the XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame. So we can see some screenshots on the developer site. Okay, but before that, the key features include gold optimized logic, multi-layer signal confirmation, dynamic risks and trade management, trading stops, and volatility filters. Inputs allow tuning for different gold market conditions. So it's basically positioned as a premium gold EA with the Midas touch in quote for turning opportunities into profits while protecting capital. So you can see how it performs. You see from the equity curve, the graph looks pretty smooth, moving straight to the upside in almost like a straight 45-degree angle line with little volatility here and there and brief periods of drawdown, but overall it trends sharply upwards. Um, that's also okay. So here we have the settings page. We have some customizable parameters, like I said previously. So yeah, there we have it. So like I said, I was opportune to put this through my own personal testing. So we are going to quickly check out its performance and if it actually holds true to the developer's claims. So I tested it on the recommended XAUUSD gold pair on the recommended 1 hour time frame for a 1 year period ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And in that test, I had the following results. You can see the equity graph or the equity curve. It's not exactly the straight up 45-degree line we saw on the developers page, but overall we can see a similar pattern of movement where it's has these brief periods of drawdowns, but overall the line just trends straight up. Pretty decent moves if you ask me, and that's also reflected in the stats, as you can see. For an initial $10,000 deposits, we had a total net profit of $1,443. The profit factor was above 1 at 1.51, and we had a balance drawdown of 2.54%. The total trades taken for the 1 year period were 542 trades. All right, so it seems in line with what the developer actually claims, and the performance looks pretty decent. Results were positive with good metrics when using recommended settings. The specialization for XAUUSD helps in handling its unique behavior. Compared to general EAs, the gold focus and adaptive features give it an edge on this pair. However, gold can be unpredictable, so risk management is key. Honestly, the features that matter most are volatility adaptation, conservative risks, and proper broker for gold trading. The golden touch in quotes comes from discipline. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, gold has high volatility and news sensitivity. Spreads and execution matter a lot. Core-fitting risks exist with specialized EAs. So in practice, use low spread brokers and monitor during major events. So who is the EA actually for and who should avoid it? It's ideal for traders focused on gold who understand commodity trading. It's good for those wanting a specialized XAUUSD system. You should avoid if you trade many pairs, prefer multi-asset EAs, or have low risk tolerance for gold swings. Overall, Midas, the Golden Touch EA, brings dedicated logic to gold trading with promising results. It's a strong option for XAUUSD enthusiasts. Test thoroughly on demo with your broker. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.